My name is Angie and I'm from Newcastle, Pennsylvania, and I'm going to show you how to braid garlic. Fresh garlic from Italy. So I start off with 3 and crisscross them just like a regular braid. Like this. And then once I get up a little ways, I add one. So I will get one and add it, and it's like you French braid someone's hair. So then I go a couple times, and on the 3rd time around I add another one. Like this. And then just go on, around and around. Then when you come this way, you add another one. And you just go 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one, I add another one. So then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th, we're adding another one. That's 1, 2, 3, and we're on this 4th, we're going to add another one. 1, 2, 3, and here we are on the 4th, and I'm going to add another one. You can make the string as long as you want. I try to sometimes do I do some with 10, some with 12, and some with 15, depending on who I want to give a big string to and who I want to give a small string to, because I do not like for my garlic to be wasted. And people tell me all the time, oh, you should sell it. But I said, I can't put a price on it because for me it's worth $1 million because of the work I put in it. So I always give it to people that I really like. So you always have enough string to work with, because when you feel like one's getting short, it's time to add another garlic. So I'm going to put my last garlic on. And when I do that, I'm going to show you how I do just braid it regular. Just up a few inches. And then when I get up here, I get my fattest piece, which is this one, and I wrap it around and I stick it through there very, very gently. Put a little hook on there. And once I do this, let's get my scissors. Okay, then I just trim it up to make it look nice. So I hold it up and I just trim all these little extras off. Make it look nice. And as you can see, I left one of the roots on, but I don't like them on there, so it looks like old hair. So I just cut it off. And voila, there's your string of garlic.